Yola, where I'm the chairman of the convention committee. I'm not a member of the zoning committee, but the zoning committee have been mandated by the neck of the party. Have taken their decision yesterday, and it will be communicated to us back to neck for us to take a final decision on it. But I think whatever decision the party have taken is in good faith and is for the interests and the unity of Nigeria, and is all geared towards winning 2023 election. I still believe that the possibility of every Nigerian to vie for his interest for whatever position is still open. Nothing has been foreclosed, so we will continue to negotiate, we will continue to discuss, and we will continue to talk among us in order to get the best candidate that will lead this country in 2023.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.